The hair I'm installing today is from Unice. They provided a 13x4 frontal Auburn pre-curled lace wig, frontal wig. This is how the lace is constructed. It is pre-cut and pre-bleached for you, and it also has upgraded ear tabs on the side to allow for easy glueless installation. This is what the inside of the wig comes like. It comes with this elastic band here for extra security at the back, as well as this comb here and the 2 side straps and this drawstring in the middle. It also has this silicone grip around the base of the wig. And really quickly, I'm showing everything that comes in the box, but if you want to see me install this wig, you got to keep on watching. So first I'm taking some toner and I'm putting it on a cotton round, and I'm going to use this to wipe off my hairline just to make sure I wipe off any excess oils. Like I showed you earlier, the wig is a taped wig and I will be taping it down to my temples. So first I'm just going to apply these adjustable straps in the back and put on the wig band and make sure it's fitting correctly, and pull the wig behind the back of my head. The wig already has ear tabs cut out for you, so all you have to do is just adjust it to make sure it's fitting right around your ears like this. Make sure nothing is leaning on it. And then the next thing that I'm going to do here is I pinned up my hair, and I'm just going to pull the drawstring in the back and adjust it and tuck it underneath the wig so that you can't see it. The first thing that you need to do is pull back the paper, separate it away from the sticky part, and then pull it tightly so that it blends in with your skin and so that it sticks in a good area. Because of my hairline, it does have to overlap my hair a little bit, but it still sticks pretty well. One tip is to peel back the sticker a little bit before you put the wig on, because it can be a little difficult sometimes to pull the sticker away, pull the paper away from the sticker. It just makes it, while it's on your head, it just makes it easier to do so. And they do have like a little groove in the sticker that helps you slide like a nail or a little tweezer to help pull it apart. And now I'm just going to take a little bit of cream makeup and I'm going to run it along the hairline. This is the option for the girls that want to wear the wig like completely gluelessly. You don't need any adhesive or anything like that. Just run this over your hairline. For an easy glueless install, that's just what the back of the hair looks like. Like I said, the hair is already pre-curled. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take out the roller and pull my hair apart with my fingers pretty much to kind of fluff it out. They give you pre-cut layers that already shape your face, so I didn't have to do any cutting to this hair whatsoever. Again, I'm just taking my fingers and I'm peeling apart the curls, and even though I didn't do anything to touch up the curls, this is what it looks like fresh out the box. You still have a lot of volume in this hair. So if you want to wear this straight out the box and go, you absolutely can. As you can see, like I said, this wig can be worn completely glueless. I have my comb underneath with no glue whatsoever. Another thing I like to do is take a little bit of spritz and run it across my hairline to help make that lace a little more invisible. My little pump on my spritz is broken, so I have to use like the little plastic thing here to lay the spritz. I could have just used my finger as well. I guess that would have worked just the same. But I'm just putting it across my hairline to really help melt that lace into my skin. And then with a quick little blow dry, in no time, you have a really nice melted lace. This next part is also optional. I'm just taking a little bit of concealer and running it down the part. You really don't have to do this. It's not necessary because the parting that they already give you is really, really good. And I feel like it looks natural. But if you want it to pop a little bit more, you can just add a touch of concealer. And this is what the hair is looking like fresh out the box with the curls and the layers and everything, like without me doing absolutely anything. This is the hair after I've brushed it out the next day, and you get this nice loose wave look. So the look that you want is like completely up to you. And now I'm just going to show you a couple of different hairstyles that you can do with this wig because it has the bangs. It's pretty versatile. The first style that I'm trying is this little half up, half down number. These are actually one of my favorites to do with these type of wigs. Like, it looks so cute. I like to pull out a little bit of like wispies, like a little bit of the hair along the perimeter in the front. So it has like that messy look, and you can really get a good look at the layers and leave the bangs out. And then I'm going to put the top part into a ponytail, especially after the hair is curled or whatever. It gives it a nice volume and it looks really, really cute. This is cute for like errands, for like going out or whatever. You can tuck the bangs behind your ears if you want to for like this kind of look here, or you can pull them out if you want to. I think I decided to wear them out a little bit because I liked how it looked looser around my face. Lastly, I just wanted to pull the hair all the way up into like an updo or like a high ponytail type of thing, just to one, kind of give you a good idea of what the back of the hair looks like when it's up, and two, and just show you, you know, what the hair looks like when it's up. Especially with like all the layers and the curls. It's really cute. So anyways, I just threw it into like a top bun, very, very simple, wrapped it around, and I think maybe I took like a bobby pin, like one or something, just to create this kind of like messy updo type thing here. And you can see like the layers that already shape your face in the wig, and it's so easy. I did not have to lay scissors to this at all. And then this is just like what the back of the wig looks like a little bit. Like, I could have made the bun tighter if I wanted to, but it just gives you like a good idea. Like, you can definitely wear the hair up if you want. But definitely check out this hair. It's a must-have for winter. All the information is in the description box below. Adios till next time.